This video is to tell you about how to register your code and also to show you. So once you've logged in and you're in modules, when you need to register your code is in module 1. So when you start module 1, you read the overview page, and then it tells you at the bottom the next steps are to go to the ebook and read chapter 1. So read the information on this page, and then when you click here, it's going, which is the assignment, it's going to take you to a registration page. So click on that. And I'm going to create a new account. And I'm going to put my email address in there. Please be sure you use the name that you're registered for in this class. First and last name. Don't use a nickname or another one unless it's the one you go by in class, but especially the last name. Be sure they're exactly the same. And so I can register my code here. And I'm just making up stuff. Okay, and create my account. I've read and agreed to it and create my account. If you're on your computer, you can, if you're on your computer at home, then you're welcome to save it, and it's a good idea. But if not, if you're not on your computer at home, I wouldn't do that. And click login. Again, if you're on your computer at home, you may want to save it. Okay, and then at this point, it's going to ask you to pay online with a credit or debit card, redeem an access code, or I'll pay later and go to my course. Couldn't be easier, really. So if you've already bought your access code, then you choose to redeem it. If you want to pay online now, and again, I said it's very close to the same price, then you can do that, or go to my course, which means I'll pay later. I'm going to do a trial. Now, if you do a trial, be sure that you do pay before the 14 days. And now you can start the assignment. And this one, remember, was your ebook. So pretty easy to access your ebook. You've got to do the agreement first, of course. And enter. It only took maybe 5 minutes. You can go through this overview page if you want, or you can close it up here on the right with the X. And this is what your textbook looks like, or your ebook. You can click on it, work through the problems, read, and then work through the problems. Should be some interesting information that has to do with business. Here's an example. And here's a try it exercise that I referred to earlier. So read and write the following whole numbers in numerical and word form. And then once you've done that, and you may want to have a calculator or a piece of paper by you, I mean, try to be honest. This is a way to help yourself. So respond to the question and then click to check your answer. And they also give you some information about it as well, the correct answers. And then again, click next. But do try to do all of those try-its at least. I know it's a little time consuming, and those should be done at the beginning of the week. It's the first thing you should do on Monday. You should not try to wait and do everything on Saturday and Sunday. You'll feel overwhelmed. You'll get frustrated. The best thing to do is, and especially in the summer when most of the time we'll be doing 2 chapters at once. So you need to do Monday, you need to be reading. Tuesday, you need to be working the reviews and the quizzes, and then moving on Wednesday to a new chapter, because the new chapter will probably also have a discussion, a numeric keypad, and maybe even a spreadsheet assignment. Although most of the assignments are fairly short, and I've only included 1 question per objective to briefen it, it still does take some time to get through everything. So get started early in the week. Do everything that you need to do, including the triad exercises, for the best success. Okay, I'm going to stop this video now. Hopefully now you know how to get registered in the course and a little bit about the ebook and the triad exercises.